In this video, I'll show you how to circle video in Camtasia. For example, if you want to turn a part of a video track into a circular shape, first, add your video to the timeline. Then, go to the Annotations tab and select a circle shape. Drag and place the circle shape on top of your video track on the canvas. Now, we'll add the circular mask. Go to the Visual Effects tab and drag the Media Matte effect onto the circle shape. This will mask your video into a circular shape. To add a border, simply duplicate the circle shape by right-clicking on it and selecting Duplicate. Remove the Media Matte effect on the duplicated shape. Adjust the opacity and thickness of the duplicated shape to create a border around the circular video. Group everything for easier movement. Select both the circular video and the border shape, right-click, and choose Group. This will allow you to move and adjust them together.
That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.